This is the air horn video where we run up behind people and blow the air horn. Enjoy.
Film it.
Jason. Oh, mate. Oh, come here, you have to feed it.
Wait, Jason, come see.
Hey, look at me. Stop. You gotta do short bursts, otherwise it wears out.
Or it goes later.
Hi.
Bitch.
You've been...
Did you record it?
Yeah, still
see.
recording.
No, don't.
Short bursts. You can't go right up to a zero, otherwise it'll...
He's lighting it. Oh yes, mate.
Shit! Oh shit!
You got to record this.
Just blow the air horn.
You got that, okay?
Have you got that?
Yeah.
We got to send that.
Yeah.
Wait, can you record that on mine?
Mate, that is YouTube.
Mate,
Yeah,
you be
definitely.
framed. If we get 250 quid, that's 5.
No,
And then,
50.
no, he doesn't. Not me. Oh, no, because we blew the air horn in his face. Oh, come on, do that. We do that
Don't do
again,
it.
mate.
Wait for this play.
Oh, no, can I do it?
You don't want to bang the old guy.
Record it.
Pretend this is a game, not a camcorder. Have you seen this brand new game I have? Look at it. It's like beep beep boo beep beep doo beep beep boo beep beep doo.
It broke.
It didn't work.
You should go and put that on YouTube. Definitely.
Brands Hatch. Brands Hatch.
Awesome.
Brands Hatch. MCE Superbikes 2009.
Are you going to do it again?
Don't burn it like hell. Highly flammable gas. I wouldn't stand there because.
I wouldn't do it yourself.
Wait, you fucking
No.
You
Go.
Wait, don't.
Make your hand.
Wait, fucking hell then. I can't exactly.
Come on.
Wouldn't do that.
Come on, Brad. We've got like 2 minutes 30 of film.
Go on, leave it that's that then.
No.
Hello. That's Jack N's mum.
Wait, go.
Smile.
Hold it to Bud.
Bud, wait there.
Wait,
What are you doing?
Just do it.
Go.
Don't get scared.
There's a dog there. Wait, no.
Go.
Fucking. Don't go.
Go. Yeah, I.
There.
Come on.
Doesn't work.
Give it a loud noise, right?
No, don't do it on
Don't put it this way. You're letting go of the flame.
No, just leave it.
You can't let go of the flame.
Genie it. The reason it didn't work properly is because it wasn't genied. Yeah, mate.
Oi, Jack, come here. Oi, we're setting fire to an air horn.
Shut up. You can't shout that, Jake.
Wait, go.
We're setting fire to the air
Get
horn.
ready.
Come on.
Don't get fucking so
I'm not.
close. Look, there.
Blow your fucking hand off.
See that? It's not gonna work.
No, it won't.
Children, please do not try this at home. We'll put it back in then. That's my air
Do you know what
horn.
would be a rude
I paid £5 for that.
Actually, was it?
We put the video on. I want to see what fucking happened.
Alright, that's the end. Goodbye.